In this lecture, we will cover the concept of lazy evaluation. Why PySpark is used in the heavy datasets. First thing is it divides your dataset into partitions. That we already know. Second is it doesn't execute your steps immediately. It first create the plan. It first create the transformation plan, and then it will be executed once it is required. It is not executed and when you have defined the steps. For example, a very easy example, there is a data frame and you want to filter the data where amount is greater than 500. So here only steps have been defined internally. Those steps will not be executed unless and until it is required. .so you have used, for example, then only your steps will be executed. That's why it is called the lazy evaluation. First your steps will be defined and those steps will be executed at the time of the action. Whenever you are using the action command, .so, .collect are the action commands. This is a very simple analogy. For example, you are sitting in one restaurant and you have ordered the food. So, order chef knows that these are the dishes which are in the menu. So, he will keep 3 steps to prepare those dishes in his mind. Not a when one very practical example. For example, the restaurant chef already knows how to prepare each dish which has been listed out in the menu. But action will be taken only when that dish has been ordered or we want to serve that dish. So this is common for both RDD and the data frame. You can see these are the commands to prepare the plan. To execute those commands, we have the .so, .count, collect, take. Using the data frame, we use the .so. Why we are using the lazy computation? Because it will help you to organize your steps very clearly. Second, it will help you to optimize your steps and performance will be enhanced. Now again, let's do some practical. We have created a data frame here using the create data frame command. Here we have passed the data and these are the columns. To get the notes, you can easily download the notes from my GitHub profile. Now we are using the command filter out the data. Okay, now we are using that select command. Now we have created a new column in the final data frame. In this step only transformation have been defined. Action has been taken place. Okay, that's why see how fast that execution happened because only steps have been defined. What are the steps? We have to read data, we have to filter the data, then we have to select the required column and then create a new column discount amount. Now to trigger these steps, see the time will be comparatively large as compared to the previous cell. See, it is still running. Similarly, we can use .count to get the number of rows. Now what is linear? Linear is the log you can say in the simple language or it can say the history of transformation used to create the data frame of the RDD. For this we use very simple command .explain. To RDD, for RDD there is another command. Let us see the data frame. In the data frame, see you have to use only .explain that df file which we have created just now. So see, first step is to get the data frame. Okay. Then second step is to filter out the columns. So I filter out the data where amount is greater than 500. Then third step, we are creating a new column amount into 0.1 as discount amount. So these are the steps. These are the bottom to top steps. First step, second, third, and so. In the RDD, how to get the steps? Let's see here. For example, we have created the RDD using the parallelize function, and here you are passing list, and 2 means number of partition to build. Then we have applied the filter wherever even, then only we will create the data frame. Then we will create a square of each value. Right now no action has been taken. Just the steps have been defined internally. Now to debug string.decode, we will get the steps. Okay. Thank you for watching this lecture. For any doubts, you can ask me in the comment box.